Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the 6 tri-wing screws on the back. This immediately grants access to internals. Once done, insert a thin plastic spudger between seams and work around to lift the top shell slowly to avoid snapping clips. Make sure to disconnect the battery plug first to eliminate power, and then detach visible ribbon cables for sticks and buttons. This prevents shorting and accidental inputs. You'll already be in position to swap the shell once connectors are safely freed. You now unfasten the shield screws and lift the metal EMI shield off to expose the PCB. Once exposed, gently pry the analog stick modules and face button assemblies upward. Avoid pulling on soldered wires. Make sure to note orientation of each part, take a photo if unsure, because alignment matters when reassembling. Transfer small mounts, dampeners, and the vibration motors into the replacement shell, lining up posts and screw holes precisely, so everything seats flush for reliability. You finish by reconnecting all ribbon cables and the battery, then position the top shell, pressing along clips until it snaps flush. Once assembled, hand-tighten screws in a cross pattern to avoid warping the frame. Power on and test every button, trigger, D-pad, and both sticks. Calibrate if necessary in console settings. If you encounter stick drift or stiff buttons, open it again and slightly loosen screws or reseat the ribbon. Minor alignment fixes usually resolve these common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.